Now, now this chance is going to the Abdul Kalam House member. Now this chance is going to Abdul Kalam House member who have to represent the Bengal. Who have to represent Bengal. That is West Bengal. Firstly, you have to tell your name, that what is your name? Tell your name, beta. Okay, Sohana Raj, you have to represent the West Bengal state. As I can see that your dressing sense also represent the Bengali female dress. That is the sari, and this style is also the Bengali. And you looks very beautiful also in this dress. And your dressing sense is very good. You have to tell, what do you know about the state Bengal? Okay, and you can say something about the food items of the Bengal. So now I already listened about the Rasgulla is very famous. And you said the special information, that is Golgappa and Aloo Bada. Okay, Aloo Bada. And before some time, anyone say about Mirchi Bada? Which state is Mirchi Bada? Rajasthan member have to say about Mirchi Bada, and you have to say about Aloo Bada in Bengal. And the Aloo Bada and Rasgulle and Golgappa also. That is famous for the girls. That's why you know about it. Okay. You like Golgappe, Sona? You can make the Golgappa? Okay, next time in the food fete, I want to give you the chance to make the Golgappe. Do you know about any song that is famous in Bengal? Chola. Dola. Damadola. Okay, Dola is the special song for the Bengal. And you know the dancing style of the Bengal? Durga Puja is the famous festival also. Basant Panchami, Saraswati Puja and Durga Puja is celebrated with a lot of joy in the Bengal, and in which the dances style, tell me the name again. Garpahara. What? Kap? Gambhira. Okay, you know this dance style? You can dances on this dance? Okay, so now last time I will give you the chances. Now you have to tell some special monuments of the Bengal. Okay, you talk about the Vivekananda, who is belonging from the Bengal, and Rabindranath Tagore also from Bengal. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Vivekananda, that was the famous personality in Bengal. Okay, You know about the Bengali monuments. I talk about the monuments in Bengal. Cheetah is the famous animals. Masjid. Okay. That masjid is famous in West Bengal. Oh, various things in the West Bengal. So now Hapra Bridge of Kolkata, that is also the famous in West Bengal. And after that you can talk about the Jew and Planetarium also, Planetarium also in the Bengal. Okay, now you want to introduce yourself, Sona, what second one, given the mic. Introduce yourself first.
Good afternoon to all our friends at the principal Swami and all my dear friends. I am Nisha Mali from Telangana. I am here to present here from my state in West Bengal.
Okay, Alisha, what do you want to say about the Bengali uniform? That is good. Bengali dress, that is good or not good? In the compare of Rajasthan, that the uniform is the ghagra type of, and but you have a long sari type of. You like ghagra mostly or sari most? Sari most. Because you have to be taken the Bengal and you have to represent the Bengal today. That's why you have to say that sari is good. Am I right? Okay. I want to introduce another students. Tell me your introduction. Keshav ji. Okay, Keshav ji, you have to say the simple question. Where is the capital of West Bengal? Where is the capital of West Bengal? Where is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata. Okay. And who is the Chief Minister of West Bengal? Chief Minister of West Bengal. Mamata Banerjee. Okay, good. Given the mic to another. Karanji, what do you know about the Bengali culture? Have you any idea about Bengali culture? No. Okay, good. Given the mic to another. Okay, Tinsu ji, you have to give him the simple answer from the Bengal that tell only 3 personality name that is already taken by your team members. Who is famous in Bengal? 3 personality who is famous in Bengal. Okay, you have to be given the mic to your leaders of the representing house. You have to be say that in the comparison of the other state of the India, what is the position of the Bengal in the field of GDP in India? Yes, for the transportation system, because they are near the seas and oceans. That's why that is very good for the Bengal, and it is a good answer for you. Very good to you, and thanks to all of the Abdul Kalam House. You have to be representing the Bengal at mostly, and you have to be try to wear the good uniform of the Bengal, and you will try. You also try to give him the answer of all the question that is asked by me. Thank you very much, Chola. Now I want to meet